Today's video is week 3, activity 1, teacher, teacher, what do you see? What shape do you see? Well, before we start talking about our shapes, we're going to read our story, but we're not going to use the book. We are going to tell the story just using our storytelling cards to see if we remember the order of the animals. Are you ready to help me tell the story? Here we go. We're talking about brown bear, what do you see? Here's our brown bear. Brown bear, what do you see? I see a red bird looking at me. Red bird, what do you see? I see a yellow duck looking at me. Yellow duck, what do you see? I see a blue horse looking at me. Blue horse, what do you see? I see what is that? A green frog looking at me. Green frog, what do you see? I see a purple cat looking at me. Purple cat, what do you see? I see a white dog looking at me. White dog, what do you see? I see a black sheep looking at me. Black sheep, what do you see? I see a goldfish looking at me. Goldfish, what do you see? I see a teacher looking at me. Teacher, what do you see? I see children looking at me. Children, what do you see? We see a brown bear, a red bird, a yellow duck, a blue horse, a green frog, a purple cat, a white dog, a black sheep, a goldfish, and a teacher looking at us. That's what we see. And there's all of our animals from brown bear. Now, today, we're talking about the teacher. Teacher, what shapes do you see? Well, you'll notice in your notebook that you have a little booklet of shapes. And we're going to go through them, and I have some shapes. We're going to have like a little, not really a shape scavenger hunt, but kind of a shape matching activity. And if you don't have little toys that are different shapes, you can cut them out of paper. I had to do that with a diamond and a heart. So it's okay, it works out just fine. So let's start. Teacher, what do you see? I see a circle looking at me. Do you see that circle? There's no straight lines on a circle, no corners. Let me see if I can find my circle. Ta-da! It's a circle. I found a match. So I'm going to put these down together. Found a circle. Teacher, what do you see? I see a square looking at me. So this square has 4 sides, all the same size. So I'm going to look over here at my shapes. I have this one. That's not right. Let's see. It's a heart. That's not it either. Ta-da! It's a square. Do they match? Yup. I have a yellow square and my big gray square. So we'll put those together. Teacher, what do you see? I see a triangle looking at me. So now I have my triangle. Let's see. Is that right? That's not right. There we go. I have a triangle. They match. They're the same shape. 3 straight sides. It's my triangle. All right. Teacher, what do you see? I see an oval looking at me. That oval, it's all curves. There's no straight lines, but it's kind of squished. It's not as round as a circle. Look, it's an oval, kind of like an egg. Ooh, or our circle time rug is an oval. An oval. Teacher, what do you see? I see a heart looking at me. So there's a heart. Let me see if I can find a heart. I did. Look at that. It's a heart. They're the same. All right. Ooh. Teacher, what do you see? I see a star looking at me. I like the star. That's a fun shape. Look, 5 spikes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That star. Teacher, what do you see? I see a rectangle looking at me. And this rectangle has 4 straight sides, but 2 are long and 2 are short. And that's a rectangle. And I have a rectangle. You see? 2 long sides and 2 short sides. It's my rectangle. And here's our last shape. Teacher, what do you see? I see a diamond looking at me. And we also call a diamond a rhombus. And I have one right here, this green one. See? A diamond or a rhombus. So you guys at home can have your very own shape hunt. See if you can find some shapes to match with your teacher pages. Okay? I hope you enjoyed this activity. I can't wait to see a picture of it. Thank you.